What would you say if I told you that everything was free if you just showed up at the right time?
What?
For example, this controller. Would you be amazed? Would you grab it? Would you think there's something up with this controller? Or will you just celebrate doing backflips? I'll probably do both. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get free FREE $0, 0 cents games on Steam that are discounted for a certain deal or limited time. I'm gonna show you the steps right now. Let's get to it. Okay, I just wanted to flex real quick. Who likes my background? I think it's a little bit lit, you know what I mean? I got Zuko. Yes, that's actually me as the avatar. I love this, you know what I'm saying? Like, Samantha, you know what I mean? You gotta work on yours. Let's look at Samantha's real quick. See what hers looks like. I mean, hers is, you know, it's something right there. It's something. Let's look at it's Keller right here. Let's look at Keller. That's pretty plain, not gonna lie, no cap. Anyways, ADHD. All right, let's get started. Go to the store tab. On the search bar, just click search. And then right here on the side, when it says any price, make it free. Now here's the issue. There's going to be a bunch of free games are normally free. So how do you know if anything's discounted? You have to check this box right here, special offers. Once you do this, any games that's actually available right now for a limited time that is free for this thing that you set, you're good. You can get it for free. So right here, get Nightfall, A Daring Journey, free to keep when you get it before April 2nd at 12 p.m. It's worth $6, $5.99. I don't know about you, but that's some free real estate.
Hey, it's free real estate.
I don't even know what this game's about, but I've been doing this time to time, and I literally have a lot of games that I got like this. I have a lot of games. If you look at this, I have a lot of games. A lot of games. A lot. I have a problem. I know. But nobody asked you. Okay. I have some over here. Got some party games. Got some Let's Play stuff and my favorites tab. I have a lot of games. I know. But anyways, that's all you have to do. Just go to store. Then on the search bar, search it. Go all the way to free with the bar. Click special offers and you're good to go. So I'm actually going to be claiming this because I do want this game. I do not have it. And it seems like it was released. This was released today. Wait, what? Yo, dog. Did that horse just do a skr? Yeah, I don't know what kind of monstrosity, but like I kind of vibe with that. That's a new like Need for Speed type of thing. Fast and Furious with horses. It's different. That's it for this video. It's quite surprising that a lot of people don't really know about this. But I just wanted to make this video to let you know. I do try on my Discord. My Discord should be in the description down below when you click on the social media link. I try to upload and let other people know, make them aware, hey, this game's free. Make sure you grab it before the offer ends. I try to do that time and time. Just send a little message out to everybody on the server. That's totally random. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully it saves you money. And yeah, keep on gaming, I guess, you know? Have a good one, everybody. God bless.